Hey everybody, welcome back. Cricket here with another sticker haul. This one is from Pink Polka Dot Lily, and I'm so in love. I already took a peek. I couldn't help myself, y'all, because I'm just so excited. I just can't help myself. So anyway, so I did open it, and she always gives you that, like I said, she gives you this beautiful pink little envelope and then the tissue paper, and she just packs it all up so beautifully. But here is my freebie. This one's done in the holographic foil this time. But if you use Cricket 20, you get 20% off. And if you use my name in the notes to seller, you get this freebie. And it has laundry, eyelashes, an open face clock, coffee cup, and the working girl. So that's what you'll get. And then this is the Pink Polka Dot Lily freebie. And this one's done in the gold. And it has Happy Mail Day Off. You've got this girl and 2 bows and then a planner. But all of it's done in foil. Beautiful. Okay. And then I got this freebie as well. Pretty little die cut. Now, on to the goodies. Okay, so I am so excited. This first one right here is called Foiled Candyland. It's for the PP weeks, and I got it in copper. Look at that. Look at that copper foiling. Isn't that beautiful? So gorgeous. And that bottom washi, look at there. With all the little gingerbread men on it. Just the detail alone amazes me that she puts into these. So here are your full boxes, and then like your sidebar, some 3 bow scallop checks, your beautiful bottom washi, your days of the week done in foil as well, then some washi strips, cleaning dinners next week, this week, habit tracker here as well, and then you have quarter boxes, scallop quarter boxes. This is so beautiful. I am so in love with this. Look at that. And then she also gives you family time, coffee or tea, whichever one you prefer, happy meal, and me time. Beautiful. So this one again is called Candyland. It's the foiled one. All right, here we go. Y'all keep in mind too, she has 35 different colored foils that you can choose from. So my friend might have gotten this kit, but she might have wanted silver. So she could have got silver. She does not make you get a certain color foil for your kits. She lets you pick out of 35 different color foils. So that means she's doing each one of these separately. She's not doing a bunch at one time. She is fulfilling your order. So she's pretty fabulous. Just saying that. Okay. Now on to this one. This is probably one of my favorites. Check this out. This one is called Candyland as well, and I got it done in teal foil. Look, check out that teal foil, guys. Look at it. Oh my God, it is gorgeous. And it fit this kit perfectly. So, trying to show you, here are the day covers, then your bow scallop check, and I'm going to go ahead and show you guys. Hold on. Okay, so there are your bow scallop checks. Okay, it's all one long strip, so she makes it easy for you. And then here is your day covers, all in one strip. Again, easy. And then she does do the square box, like the Post-it notes, separate. There is your bottom washies right here. You have quarter boxes in here. And then she has a ton of little icons. Let's see if I can show you all. And all of them are foiled. Then she has the word next week, this week, payday, family time, day off. And then she even has laundry and 3 bows right there. How gorgeous is this? So pretty. And so there's copper, there's teal. And then here's gingerbread. This one is done in rose gold. I chose rose gold for this one. So look how beautiful this is. again, your days of the week, your bow check scallops, your post-it notes, your quarter boxes, your washi strips right here, your functionals, and again, the same scripts right there. How cute is that? And I'm hoping my camera catches this, how beautiful that rose gold is. Okay, so there's that one. And then, oh my God, I'm so excited for this. Look at this, guys. Oh my God, I cannot wait to use this. I think this is probably my favorite of all. This one is called Sweet Shop. And I chose it in the shattered glass foil. How cool is that? I'm so in love. So here's your washies, your post-it notes, your scallop bows, your days of the week, your icons, your words, laundry. How beautiful is that? I'm in love. I love the glass, the shattered glass. I love it. Love it. Okay. That's all the hobos and the PP weeks. Then I ordered this one. And I love how she does this too. She's so thoughtful. She puts in what you're getting. So this one is the full kit. And I'm excited to show you. So let me take this out, but I'm going to put it back in so I don't want to mess that up. All right, so when you get a full kit, here are your date dots. And I got the full kit done in glitter gold. Okay, so this kit is also goes with this kit, but instead of getting the copper in this one, I got the glitter gold. So here's your glitter gold date dots. Then here is your weekend banner flags that you don't have to put together. She just does it all for you. Then here are your washi strips, your glitter washi strips done in gold, the glitter gold foil. And then here is your full boxes done in the glitter gold. Now that is gorgeous. So let me show you the difference. Okay, so here is the copper candy cane, and here's the glitter gold candy cane. Both are absolutely beautiful. Love it. Okay, so here are your full boxes, which each one has foil in it of some sort. Here is your bottom washi. Look at that with the little candy cane man. The gingerbread man, I mean. Your appointment boxes, which I think are adorable. Quarter boxes, bow, paper clips, and piece of cake. And then these are washi strips. And then your full bow check boxes. Your half boxes and quarter boxes and scallop boxes. Your sidebar, again done in the foil. Let me see if I can pick it up. There you go. And then your habit trackers, another appointment box, your 3 bow scallop, paper clips, and then the scripts are cleaning, to do, dinners to buy, next week reminder, this week errands, spending, meeting, workout, happy mail, important, and work. And then here are your 2 corner flags. And a full check box right here as well. Then here are your headers with to do, today, and then some foiled headers. These are cute. Oh my gosh. Look at that. So cute. And then your computer, your food trackers. Here is your days of the week with Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and an extra. And then here are your icons and deco and weekend banner, flags, scripts, and that is it. Check out all this gorgeousness, y'all. So beautiful. Please go check her out, and remember that she has 35 different colors of foil, or you can choose no foil if you're a no foil kind of girl. I can get all the foil in a kit that's possible, and I will do it. So this right here will get you 20% off, and if you mention my name, you will get this freebie. It might be a different color foil, but it will be foiled. So go check her out. I hope you like this video. I hope that this inspired you to go get you some goodies from Pink Polka Dot Lily, and tell her Cricket sent you. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already subscribed, and hit that bell, and I hope to catch you back here real soon. Talk with you later. Bye-bye.